Edinburg CISD family, and welcome to the 2023-2024 General Assembly. This is a chance for us all to come together and reconnect and talk about what's coming up for the upcoming school year. We had a chance to speak to a few of our district employees. Let's see what they have to say.
This is a very special day for the Edinburg School District because we have the opportunity to bring together all the staff. I'm talking all the staff. Everybody in the district will be here to hear the same message for how we ended and what the expectations are for the beginning of the school year. The main focus is going to be a showcase of our students and their performing. What they can do, you're going to see students participating, making presentations of the audience, making musical performances. We have an opportunity to show the community what we are all about.
We're going to discuss the state of the district and the priorities for the new school year. And then we're going to showcase our student talent that in the district. We have elementary, middle, and high in the fine arts, reading, academics, the gamut of what we offer. It'll be a showcase of what Edinburg CISD offers and the talent that we have.
What I'm most excited for the first year at South is continue on the tradition of RepCat excellence, where we focus on academics, after-school programs, just building those students up to be the best individuals and best citizens for ECISD. Everybody brings things to the table, everybody's voice is heard, everybody participates, everybody's fun, everybody's energetic, everybody's so happy to be here, and that's why we get an influx of kids, because they want to come to this district, they want to come to our schools. It is important to have events like this because, again, you're bringing the community, you're involving everybody, you're involving all stakeholders, because they do have a voice at the table with ECISD. And I mean, look at this. I mean, this is incredible. You don't see this every day. You don't see the community coming together and supporting all walks of life, but most importantly, supporting students, because that's what ECISD is about. Supporting students to get them to their full potential with the multiple pathways to success. Let's make it a great year and let's ride that ECISD wave.
For our hopes for the new school year, so that everything goes smoothly, all of our facilities are up and running, no problems, no emergencies, and that we have a great school year. All of the hard work that we do get done is well appreciated, and we appreciate all of our guys. I'm very proud of the school district, the new high school that's coming up, our new current technology building looks awesome. We've been inside it the past couple of months, and it's awesome. I'm excited for the kids going into that new facilities that we're building.
Those of us that are board members that have been educators are a little different than those community members that woke up one day and decided to run for the board. They have the opportunity to see the real school district in action. You know, they get to see how big we are. They get to understand when things and requests come to the board, or when we're having to spend X number of dollars on this particular campus, so they can see the diversity and the need, the demographics of the district. And that's something that they have to learn on the job of being board members. But the hearts of all the board members are in the right place. We're here to serve, and we're here in order to serve. You got to listen to people.
We're a team, right? It's not an I, it's a we. Everybody's important. The campuses are important. The support staff, transportation, cafeteria, police, health service, and so on. And so we need to get together at least once a year, and this is it. We do it once a year, where all the departments, all the employees get together, and we share and we celebrate.
We had a wonderful time here at our 2023-2024 General Assembly, and we just want to remind everyone that school starts Monday on August 14th. We'll see you then. I'm Lisa Ayala with Edinburg CISD, simply the best.